Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. I'm Apurva Yadav. Today I'm going to tell you how to read books because lots of people were asking in comments that how can we learn English through reading books. And guys, today I'm going to tell you with my sister. See here.
Hi everyone, and yes, I am back with her on her YouTube channel, and let's get started.
Okay, so in today's video, I'm first of all I will explain you which book should we use. Like if you are starting with hard book and if you are starting with very simple book, so that's not the point. How will you improve your English with that? And also we are going to have argument in this. We can say we are going to have argument because we both have different choice, and if your guys are like me, so you will like my choice, and if you are like her, so you can use her choice also. So for that we are going to have debate on this, and we are also going to help you a lot. So let's start. First of all, let's ask which book should we use. Like, should we read childish book or should we use like motivational books? What do you think? Because I think childish book is good for you.
So, mostly when it comes to book, most of the people would recommend motivational books because they help a lot. And in the case of childhood books, like you said, childish book, right?
Yeah.
So, what do you exactly mean by childhood books or childish books?
Because I think that the vocabularies that are used in childish book are easy. So people who are beginner, they don't know anything, they can just read it easily. They can learn new vocabularies from that. But in motivational, there are big words comes. Like it's hard to pronounce also. So for that, I think childish book are good for that. And what do you think? Why motivational book are good?
See, when it comes to motivation, I think first of all, the title is very interesting because motivation is very much required. And after motivation, we have, you know, motivation is always required. So, you are currently, when you start to read motivation, you like to get a kind of, fire inside you. Then you follow that fire. And yes, with motivation, you're also reading books, you are improving your vocabulary. A lot of thing is happening.
But what will happen if you will not understand what the book is saying? So what you will do?
Motivational books are itself motivating, first of all. So, even in the case when you are taking motivation from someone, I don't think that motivation is really that hard. Like, I don't think motivation is that hard. And also, I have like, even if you're trying to read motivational books, you should first read proper vocabulary. Otherwise, who will come?
See, guys, I was just asking for that. Now, see, I think the correct thing is that I am telling that you should read childish book. So, in this thing, we should start with childish book because if we are going with motivation, they are like big words comes like you that are hard to pronounce, that are hard to understand. For that reason, I think you should start with childish book, very simple, and then you should go further. And I have one question also. Like if you are reading book, like let's say there are three. First book you took it, पहले book आपने ली, then you start reading it, and you like it so much, like it's feeling very nice. You are feeling very amazing. After that, you saw another book, and you just take a look on that. बस आपने उसको देख लिया, जैसे आप ये बुक पढ़ रहे हो, आपने वो दूसरी बुक को भी देख लिया, और वो बुक थोड़ा सा खोल के देख लिया इधर उधर, और आपको बुक अच्छी लग गई. तो क्या करना चाहिए? शुड वी स्किप दिस बुक और शुड वी skip this book or should we just first of all read whole book, then after that we should take that? मतलब हमको खाली जो बुक पढ़ रहे हैं इस टाइम पे वही लेना चाहिए या फिर जाकर वो वाली बुक को भी पढ़ लेना चाहिए? विच वन शुड वी डू?
यू आर आस्किंग अ पर्सन जो कि मतलब बुक्स तो पढ़ती है पर इट्स नॉट एक्चुअली सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स. तो मैं उसकी तरफ से तो नहीं कह सकती हूँ कि सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स पढ़ती हूँ. एंड आई हैव टू अग्री विद दैट बिकॉज आई हैव आई like read a books kind of in entertainment purpose, not wholly, but yes, I do. So whenever this thing happens to me, and it happens a lot, let me tell you, whenever this happens, I read my book which I'm reading currently, and then I go to that book, because if I do that, then that is going to cause a lot of trouble for me. मैं उसको पढ़ूंगी, उसके बाद फिर दूसरे वाले पे जंप करूंगी. That is not going to happen. first complete the first one.
So I think she is correct on this, because you are, first of all, like, mind get distracted so much, but you have to focus on one thing. If you will do lots of things at one time, it will cause trouble. So that's why you should just read first of all what you are looking, and after that, after completing this book, you can go with other. So I think this is correct. I am also with this option.
I have next question and I'm going to ask it. So, are you going to read popular books or are you going to search for deep books inside and they are not popular?
See here, one thing I want to say. If I am going with deep books, what will I just understand, because the books that are popular, why are they popular? Because there are something in that, that's why it's popular. And if I will go in that books, why are they not popular? Because it's kind of that books. So I think you should start with popular books, बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग आसानी तरीके पे जाएंगे, मज़ा जिसमें आएगा ज़्यादा, एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ यू विल नॉट गेट द फन, सो इट विल फील बोरिंग. बट या, यू शुड स्टार्ट विथ पॉपुलर बुक्स से स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. डीप में क्या जाएंगे हम, हमें पहले देखना चाहिए लोग क्यों उसे पसंद कर रहे हैं और उस पर जाना चाहिए. नहीं तो अगर हम जा रहे हैं इस पर, हमें पता ही नहीं है इसके बुक के बारे में, और ये डीप है, नीचे क्यों नीचे गिरी है, कुछ होगा ही नहीं इसमें. That's why.
I will go with the same option because this option is really correct. And sometimes ऐसा कभी कभी हो जाता है कि कोई बुक ओवर हाइप हो जाती है और ओवर पॉपुलर हो जाती है, जबकि इसमें कुछ होता नहीं है. बट इफ़ यू सर्च बुक और उसके फ्रंट पेज को आप देख लो, थोड़ा सा उसमें उसकी थियरी वगैरह पढ़ लो कि क्या है क्या नहीं है उस बुक में, दैट इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अलॉट. एंड फ्रॉम व्हाट आई एम रीडिंग, आई कैन से आई रीड पॉपुलर बुक्स.
Okay, so now let's come to the point. Like, if there is a beginner, so which book should they use, which book should they start, and how, like, whole thing, how should they read book? Can you tell something on this?
First of all, if there is a beginner, what kind of books they should read? You mean that, right? So, if you're a beginner, I would say start with something which entertains you. Because from that point, you are going to get interested in books. And I can say one thing, the person whoever reads a book, they have a very vast and very big imagination. They can imagine like very much anything. So yeah, your creativity of your brain grows with the entertainment books, because at that time you are interested. But after that you can continue with self-help books. That is going to help you a lot. And further, in the case of how do I read that book, तो सबसे पहले मैं अगर बता दूँ आपको, तो इफ़ यू आर रीडिंग अ काइंड ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट बुक, तो मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि आपको कैसे वो बुक पढ़ना है, आप उसे पढ़ लेंगे. बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट दी सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स, तो उसमें दिक्कत आती है. एंड लेट मी टेल, व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग एंटरटेनमेंट बुक्स, तो आपको बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको कैसे पढ़ना है. बट व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सेल्फ हेल्प बुक्स, तो हाउ यू हैव टू रीड इट, आप लोग गूगल वोकैबुलरी से इसको सर्च कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारे जो वर्ड्स हैं, एंड मेक श्योर टू अंडरलाइन इट. दिस टाइम आई एम गोइंग विथ हर बिकॉज this is really important when you are going with self-help books or the books which have a little bit complicated words. And if you are interested, then try to go in some of the adventure and mystery book that are going to help you a lot in finding very odd words.
So I think by my way, like, आपको छोटे बच्चों की बुक पढ़नी चाहिए, पहले उससे स्टार्ट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसी को आप पहले समझ पाएंगे.
What do you mean by छोटे बच्चों की बुक्स?
जैसे छोटे बच्चों की बुक, जैसे साइंस की बुक हो गई, कोई इंग्लिश की बुक. सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सी आपको छोटे बच्चों की बुक से स्टार्टिंग करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि आप उसी से समझ
पाएंगे. Let me ask them a question. So the question is, are you going to start with an entertainment book or are you going to go with the option she said? Tell me in the comments.
सी इन चाइल्डिश बुक देर आर मोरल्स ऑल्सो. आपको उसमें बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें सीखने को मिलेंगी. और देखिए, जब आप एंटरटेनमेंट, मान लो आप एंटरटेनमेंट पे जा रहे हैं एंड यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट द गाय इज सेइंग, ऑथर ने लिख दिया है और आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा उसने लिखा क्या है, तो आप ऐसे तो नहीं, एक वर्ड पढ़ा जाकर, हेलो गूगल मुझे बताओ इसका मतलब क्या होता है, ना मज़ा नहीं आएगा उसमें.
I do that.
लेकिन अगर आप बच्चों की बुक उठाएंगे तो उसमें आपको थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आएगा ही. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप छोटे बच्चों की बुक से स्टार्ट करें और उसके बाद धीरे धीरे यू विल गो फर्दर. धीरे धीरे आप मोटिवेशनल लाइन पे जाइए, फिर धीरे धीरे आप देखिए एंटरटेनमेंट बुक्स, जैसे कि उन्होंने कहा, और फिर आप करिए, लेकिन स्टार्टिंग करिए छोटे बच्चों की बुक से क्योंकि आप वो समझ पाएंगे. सो आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, like you don't underline the words there because it's not very complicated. You can
What are not complicated?
they that are not complicated. You can just
What books are not complicated?
see childish books are not
I can talk about the childish book. I said when you have to underline, those books should be self-help books or a highly vocabulary.
I'm asking for big, I'm saying for beginners, like
Yes, so I
see,
say-
first of all, see childish book. If you are taking childish book, it are simple.
Yeah, I know that.
See,
Yes.
if it is simple, so you will not underline that क्योंकि वो
Yes. So did you hear what did I say? I said the books that you have to underline are the complicated books, or you can say, self-help books. In the case of entertainment and whatever she is saying, first of all I did not take the option of the childish books. So why are you comparing that to me?
आई एम आस्किंग, आई एम टेलिंग माई पॉइंट. मैं क्या बताना चाहती हूँ कि वो आप कैसे स्टार्ट करें.
Okay, fine.
So you should take childish book and you will understand this. So there will be not very need of underlining that words. And after that you can go with motivational book or entertainment book. But start with simple books. You will enjoy a lot in that. And also beginners start very slowly. Don't say very fast. And that's all what I want to say. Start reading and underline those books which are hard, but start with childish book. And you should start with simple and also practice that, like whatever you are reading, just use in your life also. And there are lots of morals also, so understand करते करते करना, समझते समझते कि ऑथर क्या बोल रहा है, और जब आप समझेंगे तो you will start getting the interest.
Okay, so now I have the next question, and the question is, should we read books in Kindle, the e-books, or should we read the paperback version?
See, I am telling like paper books and also that one. And like if you are reading in Kindle, so you will get there lots of books. And if you are taking the book one, you will get very less books. And you will be like, I am not getting the interest in this book. So you will just, you will not understand that and you will just be like, I will read it later. This will happen. And if you are taking a Kindle, so you will there find lots of different kind of books. एंड वन थिंग, जो चीज़ आपको अच्छी लगती है वैसी तरीके की ही बुक लेना, कोई अलग तरीके की बुक मत लेना. और मोटिवेशनल पाना है तो छोटे बच्चों की बुक में तो मिल ही जाता है मोटिवेशनल. तो हाँ, यू शुड रीड इन किंडल. अब बहुत लोग के पास किंडल नहीं होगा, तो जिनके पास नहीं है वह आप बुक से ही अपना पढ़िए.
Tell me in the comment section. By the way, we answered so many questions. Tell us in the comment section who was more correct.
I want to say this is all for today. I hope you understand. Like बहुत लोग पूछ रहे थे कि कैसे बुक पढ़ें. I think now you understood which kind of book should you use, how should you read, and what the things you have to do. Like we also do this kind of things, but now we understand that. So उसकी ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. सो फॉर दैट मैंने आपको बता दिया, मेरी दीदी ने भी बता दिया कैसे करना है. और यही था आज के वीडियो के बारे में. कुछ बोलना चाहोगी?
टेल अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आप किस टाइप की बुक्स पढ़ते हैं, और अगर ये आप रीड कर रहे हैं, जो भी आप वीडियो देख रहे हैं, व्हाट डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द वीडियो. लाइक आपको मिला क्या, एंड कितनी बातें हम लोग की सही है, बिकॉज हम भी ऐसे कोई वो नहीं है, एडवांस प्रो लेवल के रीडर्स हैं जो आपको बता सके, बट रीडिंग करते हैं हम लोग भी. एंड हमने बहुत सारी बुक्स रीड की हैं, और इट डज़ नॉट डिपेंड्स कि हमने कौन सी बुक रीड की है, but we are reading, right? So we can give tips on that.
And also let me know in the comment section that which book you started reading.
Yes.
पहले बता देना आप, मैं भी देखूं कि मेरी ऑडियंस को कैसी बुक अच्छी लगती है. And that's all for today. I hope you understand all the things. We will meet you in the next video. Bye.